Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for that warm welcome. Look, over the last 2 days, we've heard terrific examples from colleagues across GE about the digital transformation that they're driving. And it's a real honor to be a part of this. As you've heard, to truly transform an industry, you have to optimize the assets critical to that industry, as well as how those assets integrate with the broader ecosystem. At GE Transportation, we're incredibly excited about how we're doing this in the rail industry. We're leveraging Predix to enable self-aware trains and a smart, connected ecosystem. And this afternoon, I want to take a few minutes to share with you how our solutions are delivering real and meaningful outcomes for our rail customers today, and how we're expanding our focus to unlock potential across the entire freight logistics value chain. I hope it provides a tangible example of the scope of transformation that's possible and the extraordinary impact that we can have. Now look, some of you may not spend much time thinking about the rail industry, but this is an industry that is absolutely vital to our economy. In the US alone, more than 5 million tons of freight are delivered by rail every single day. And it's by far the most fuel-efficient means of transporting goods across land. But railroads today face a challenging environment. The decline of coal and other commodities has led to significantly lower rail volume. And in the search for growth in segments like intermodal, railroads increasingly find themselves in competition with trucks, where they need to optimize not just for cost, but for improved reliability and visibility to when a shipment's going to arrive. So more than ever, we need to partner with our rail customers to help them compete and win in this environment. So look, we're proud to say that GE is building the cleanest, most efficient, most reliable locomotives the world has ever seen. Our Tier 4 locomotive is embedded with more than 200 sensors to deliver better power, performance, and lower emissions. But the reality is that a locomotive is just one small part of a rail operation. And today, even with these incredibly intelligent and reliable locomotives, railroads still experience around 500,000 hours of unplanned delays. This costs the industry billions. So that's why we've expanded our focus well beyond the locomotive. We're making a bold move to link the engine, rail cars, the track, the yard, even ports, in a way that's never been done before. Because, look, at the end of the day, railroads exist to deliver trains to their destination safely, efficiently, and on time. And our goal is to enable a train, through the use of sensors, to continuously gather data about itself and its environment, in effect making that train aware of the broader system so a railroad can make better decisions. And what's so exciting about this is that even small changes can make a huge difference. Just a 1% improvement in car dwell, for example, can drive billions of dollars of impact to the industry. So this is game-changing potential. And what are we doing today to unlock it? Okay, I already told you about the high-tech locomotives that we're building. But when you combine these digital beasts with our Golang platform, it's an onboard processing, storage, network, communication platform, effectively our edge device, you turn that locomotive into a mobile data center. It's like putting an iPhone in the pocket of a locomotive. This is the platform upon which we and others can write applications to help the train, and frankly, the entire system, perform more efficiently. A great example of one of these applications is Trip Optimizer. Trip Optimizer is a smart, automated cruise control system for a train, ingests data about the train's route and its load, and then automatically drives the train in the most fuel-efficient manner. On average, it saves about 10% of fuel, and it's already helped our customers save well in excess of 100 million gallons of diesel fuel. These are big outcomes. But the reality is a fuel-efficient train isn't any good if it's sitting in a congested network. And that's why we've developed solutions like Movement Planner and Smart Intermodal Terminal, which continuously analyze and optimize traffic across the rail network and at key nodes in that network to allow more trains to run on the same infrastructure with less congestion. Real impact for our customers. But the reality is when you're trying to optimize an ecosystem, you can't do it alone. And this year we've announced several exciting partnerships. Take our partnership with Amstead Rail, for example, a major freight car component manufacturer. Together, we're enabling real-time monitoring of the health of rail cars in a train. You know, this is visibility that has not been possible before. And we can now alert operators to an impending issue, preventing a train delay or possibly even a derailment. Again, big impact for our customers. And take our partnership with Deutsche Bahn Cargo. And this is Europe's largest rail operator. And they're piloting our asset performance management solution on non-GE locomotives. So this solution enables an operator to drive savings across their entire fleet, GE or other manufacturer. You know, these are exciting solutions, but they still only tell part of the story. To really unlock exponential value, we have to look across the broader supply chain. And we're seeing this firsthand in places like Africa and with partners like Transnet, the continent's largest and most developed rail and ports operator. Look, every day, Transnet delivers 13,000 containers and 620,000 tons of goods. These are goods vital to the functioning of Africa's economy. And to bring these products to market faster, more efficiently, more reliably, Transnet and GE are embarking on an exciting first-of-its-kind partnership. A partnership where GE and Transnet will work side by side and tap into local resources to design solutions that integrate the rail, the trucking, the shipping industries in ways that haven't been done before. You know, we've already co-developed our first solution, enabled by Predix, to help seamlessly connect shippers and transport operators. Yeah, it's an Uber-like solution. It makes it dramatically easier for a company to understand pricing and capacity on a network, plan a shipment, and get their goods to market. But we're just getting started. You know, we're going to build smarter, more efficient systems, and we're going to help move Africa's economy. But you don't have to go all the way to Africa to see the potential and the improvements that we're driving. In fact, you don't even have to leave the state of California. Because yesterday we announced a strategic partnership with the Port of Los Angeles, the largest port in the United States. Look, America's seaports, any country's seaports, are like the front door to the economy. And a slowdown in just one terminal with one shipment at a port can congest that port and create a bottleneck that impacts the entire supply chain. And with our new port optimization solution, we're working with the Port of LA to literally take the shipping process from paper to digital. We're integrating data from 7 disparate sources, from customs, from Homeland Security, from railroads, trucking companies, onto a common platform that gives every player in that process earlier visibility to incoming shipments. You know, this enables them to better plan their operations, not just at the port, but extending downstream across their entire enterprise. And look, the Port of LA is at the cutting edge here. There's tremendous opportunity at other ports across the United States and around the world. Exciting, exciting stuff here. But the question becomes, how does this all come together? You know, we've talked about morphing locomotives into mobile data centers, digitizing rail cars, optimizing ports, terminals, and connecting continents like Africa. But this is a complex playing field. You know, a simple issue in one part of the network can create ripples that impact the rest of the system and can persist for days, sometimes even weeks. So the key to driving system-wide efficiency is integrating these solutions into a cohesive platform built on Predix, connecting shippers to receivers and everything in between. This is weaving a digital thread through the entire ecosystem. This is really end-to-end digital transformation, truly bringing minds to machines, and we're doing it today here at GE Transportation. So it's been a privilege to share our journey with you. I appreciate you welcoming me to the stage today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your time here at Minds and Machines. Thank you.